Many centuries ago, deep in the enchanted forests that surrounded the Celtic region, the legend of the Spriggan, the spirit of the giants, was told. This mysterious entity, imbued with ancient magic, was the guardian of an ancient secret that connected the world of humans to the realm of the giants. The Spriggan was known for her majestic appearance, with eyes that shone like stars and hair that flowed like rivers of light. Her imposing figure was surrounded by a magical glow that emanated the very essence of the Celtic land. According to mythology, this entity had the ability to communicate with giants, ancient beings who lived in the mountains and valleys, guarding the secrets of nature. Legend has it that an intrepid young man named Aidan, fascinated by the stories of the Spriggan, decided to embark on a journey in search of the spirit of the giants. Guided by his brave heart and respect for nature, Aidan ventured into sacred groves that vibrated with Celtic energy. On his journey, Aidan encountered magical challenges and mystical creatures that guarded the path to the Spriggan. However, his determination and his connection to the land carried him through every obstacle. Finally, after an arduous journey, Aidan arrived at a magical clearing where the Spriggan, in all her splendor, awaited him. The spirit of the giants, impressed by Aidan's bravery, decided to share with him the ancient secret it kept. The Spriggan revealed that the giants were the guardians of harmony between nature and humans, and their mission was to preserve the magic that united both worlds. Aidan, imbued with the wisdom of the Spriggan, returned to his village, a wielder of Celtic magic. He shared the teachings of the giants, promoting harmonious coexistence between humans and nature. His story became a legend that lasted through the generations, reminding everyone of the importance of respecting and preserving the magic that lies deep within Celtic mythology.